Hey guys, this is Miss Schwartz. So for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Sketch.io website to draw your warm and cool skies. So this is my last project from the week before. I'm going to click on this little plus sign. It's going to take me to this. Yes, I want blank. I'm going to hit create. Voila, a new paper. You are going to start by choosing your pencil tool right here. So go to pencil. You are going to start with drawing a line that divides your paper in half, like so. It's going to be two diagonal triangular sections. So what are you going to do on one side? One side's going to be your sky with warm colors, and the other is going to be your sky with cool colors. So I'm just going to stick with my paintbrush. I'm going to make things just a little thicker here. I'm going to go to outline. I'm going to start choosing warm colors right here. So here's my sun. I'm going to fill that in. And if you go to the slides for the project, it will show you step by step what to do. You really need to listen to this or read the slideshow, and that will help you so much more if you're going to do this project online. So here's my other warm color, orange. And again, I'm rushing through this because I only have 5 minutes to record this. You can take as much time as you want. And this would be way a much better looking art project if I had all the time in the world, but I don't. Here's a fun idea. You can also experiment with stamps. If you like, let's say I put some bursts in. I want my outline to be red, so I'm just going to, put a few stamps right there. Okay, now that's all I'm going to do for the warm side. I expect high quality work from you guys. Remember, I'm just rushing through this because I don't have all day. So I'm going to go to my cool colors. Now I'm going to go back to the pencil tool. Outline, I'm going to choose a cool color. I'm going to choose blue. I'm just going to draw my moon here and color that in. And I am going to draw some green stars here. I'm going to make things a little fun. I'm going to go back to my stamp tool. I think I will choose some radial bursts. I will go to fill. I'm going to choose purple this time because remember the cool colors are purple, blue, and green. So I'm just going to throw a few of those in there. They almost look like fireworks. Okay, so that's all I'm going to do for this project. Remember, you guys are going to have a lot more than just 5 minutes, so take as much time, I urge you. So I'm going to go down here now to export this little old school looking disk here. I'm going to click on export. I'm going to go to save. I'm going to go to download. Now I'm going to go find my downloads. And here it is. I'm going to right click on it. I'm going to rename it Ms. S. Warm and Cool Skies. And then you can either email me the picture, upload it to Google Classroom, or text it to my Google Voice number. So anyway, good luck. I can't wait to see your work. Okay, goodbye.